Bumida ang mga aspiring Pinoy swimmers sa ginanap na PhilSwim National Long Course Swimming Championships. Ang target nila, makapasok sa National Swimming Team. Narito ang report.
Meet Nicole and Andre. Dalawa lamang sa mga top swimmers sa bansa na sumali sa prestiyosong PhilSwim National Long Course Swimming Championships. Philippine record sa 400 at 800 meter freestyle ang ipinamalas ng 16 anyos na si Nicole Oliva sa pinakauna niyang sabak sa tubig. Kasali rin siya sa swimming team ng SEA Games sa darating na Agosto.
It's my first international competition, so I'm really excited for that. Do your best and don't limit what you can do.
Pressured naman ang team captain ng junior national swimming team na si Andre Pogyongko sa laban niya, lalo na't galing ito sa mga pamilya ng professional swimmers.
My parents, they actually met in a competition back when they were swimmers pa. They introduced me and my sisters to different sports, but then we actually fell in love with the swimming.
Sa 3-day event, sumalang ang mahigit 300 swimmers sa 16 na kategorya ng event. Ang kanilang target, makasecure ng spot sa roster ng National Swimming Team.
So this is called the PhilSwim National Championships. This has been going on for a few years. It's the qualifying leg for international meets such as Southeast Asian Games, Southeast Asian Age Group, Asian Games.
Kampante naman ang dating Olympian at ngayoy assistant coach ng Philippine National Swimming Team na si Jenny Guerrero sa improvement ng ating bansa sa larangan ng swimming.
With the improvement of Philippine swimming right now, mas maraming local athletes ang pumupunta dito to compete. So I believe na mas malaki yung chance natin na makakuha ng medal sa international meets.
Samantala, narito naman ang listahan ng lahat ng nagwagi sa kompetisyon. Kitang-kita sa performance ng mga swimmers ang dedikasyon at pagnanais nila na maitaas ang bandera ng Pilipinas sa international swimming scene.
Hi guys! Keep watching The Score for the latest sports updates and don't forget to subscribe to the ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.